Hi girls and boys, it's Friday. You're not gonna get a very long video of me talking about a book on the floor because, as you can see, I've been sweating a lot and that's just kind of gross, and this light makes it even worse. Anyways, this is my favorite book, Lord of the Rings. One of them. I have a lot of favorite books. One of my favorite classic books is Dune, and I don't have that one on me. But the cool thing about the whole Lord of the Rings, though, is that it's a black cover, and since this is Color Week, black is my favorite color. I know. Not technically a color, so whatever. I don't care. I like black. Whatever, it's the only thing I like to wear. When you see me in other colors, it's kind of odd. But Lord of the Rings is my favorite book. If you haven't ever read it, you need to read it. It's very, very good. And, yeah. So I think that's about 30 seconds of me on the floor. I am currently in Oklahoma, so my video isn't going to be very long. I am in a hotel in Oklahoma, for the night. And I've driven 8 hours today to get here. And I still have another 4 hours to go. So my video is going to be short. Sorry guys, I hope you enjoy it. And that's really all I have to say, so Viv, I'll see you on Sunday.